It's still your English language teacher, Mr. Kindness Onyekwe, welcoming you to this video segment. The topic under consideration is grammar in use. Then we'll make progress to writing. So we will cover days from module 7 of our textbook. We will cover grammar in use from page 107. Then we'll move to page 110, which is 110, to cover writing. So let's see what the plan is for this 4-day video. Let's see what the plan is for each day. And the 4 days includes Monday through Thursday, 20th to 23rd of April. And for each day, this is what we'll be discussing. Please, friends, remember this. You have homework for each day. Please endeavor to do your homework for each day. Now, I want you to pause this video, go get your textbook, get your notebooks, get your pen and your pencil so that we can get straight into the day's business. Have you done that? Hoping you've gotten your pen, pencil, books. Now we can make progress to exercise 5. And the aim of exercise 5 is for us to present an infinitive ing form with personal examples. Now I say, think of your lifestyle. Complete the sentences so that they are true for you. So what have you stopped doing? What have you always wanted? What have you avoided? For me, I have made this to be personal to me. It is true to me. Now let's see. I want to see what is true for you too. Okay, I have stopped eating sweets. I have always wanted to join a yoga call, but I have not been able. You see it? So these are things I wanted to do. Can you write yours too? Let's see what you've written. Okay, so you can follow this model now as we make progress to the next exercise, exercise 6. In exercise 6, we want to present the tenses of the infinitive. And here it says, look at the table. Where is the table? Here comes the table. So look at the table. Tenses of the infinitives and ing form. Here we have infinitive, the to infinitive, and we have the ing form. When it is in the present, we have the to play, and the ing is playing. Present continues to be playing, and past is to have played, and past continuous is to have been playing. Now, with this in mind, look at the table, then rewrite the sentences using the verbs in brackets in the correct form. We have seem, appear, enjoy, tend, regret, and claim. Let's see what we can do out of seem. She seems to have put on a lot of weight. Then let's see how you can use appear, enjoy, tend, regret, and claim. You can cross-check. You can see how I have put it here. He appears to be training hard and enjoys playing squash on Sundays. They tend to win home matches. You can see, so which is ing and which is the to infinitive. To win, playing, to be training. You see it? Do you see them? To have been, and we have practicing. So when you see the infinitive, the to infinitive, and the ing forms in a tense, I guess you can differentiate them. Now we want to make progress to exercise 7. Exercise 7. Here we want to present, in exercise 7, we want to present and practice would, prefer, or would, rather, and better. Okay? Would, prefer, would, rather, had, better. So I would prefer to have a salad. I prefer playing football to playing tennis. I would rather play football than play tennis. I would better cut down on fats. Now, if we want to get this better, we have been advised to go to see the grammar section of our textbook, grammar 11 to 12, in the grammar reference at the back of your textbook. Now, with this table in mind, read the examples, then complete the exchanges using similar structures. A says, I like swimming more than football. Really? I prefer dash. Let's see. Let's see how we have put it down here. Yes. I like swimming more than football. Really? I prefer playing baseball to swimming. I think we should exercise more. We'll better cut down on fattening food. I would rather or better cut down on fattening food. Let's go to gym. And B saying, I would prefer to go for a jog on the beach. Did you get that right? So you can write this here. Okay? We want to make progress to exercise 8 now. In exercise 8, we want to practice keyword transformation. So here, keyword transformations, we want to use the words in bold to complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first. Use 2 to 5 words including the word in bold. So here we can use 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Can we use 6 words? No. Can we use 1 word? No. We can only use from 2 to 5. We can use more than 5. Now, including the word in bold, like prefers, enough, have, was, and should. Now, I want you to rewrite these sentences. Mary likes aerobics more than gymnastics. Now, we want to use prefers. Mary dash. So, how do we add prefers here? So that this sentence will mean the same with the first. We want to check. Okay. Mary prefers aerobic to what? Than gymnastic. Mary prefers aerobics. Then here is, it's too hot to go to the park. We are given enough and we says, it isn't cool enough to go to the park. Did you get that right? So you can copy these words down here. So that when you put these words here, when you put them down, anyone reading it will see that it means the same thing with the first that has been given. So we make progress now to exercise 9. Change story. In exercise 9, we want to practice infinitive ing forms via a change story. It says, in themes, take turns adding a sentence to make up a story using these verbs: decide, look forward to, try, manage, start, notice, to be afraid of, continue, have difficulty in, stop, see, be happy. Okay, now the sentence has been started. Team A, student 1, and Team B, student 1. So the student 1 in Team A say, last weekend we decided to go swimming. And B add up that it was a lovely day and we were looking forward to. Let's see how it goes now. Yes, then we were looking forward to spending the weekend by the sea. And Team A, student 2 continues, Team B, students 2, just in that order. So you can copy this into your notebooks, please. Remember the order. Exercise 9 from page 107 of our student textbook. Then write that as the heading so that you can continue. Good. So we go over to exercise 10. Say, think of the grammar structures you have learned in this lesson. Make sentences using them. Tell a partner. Here we want to consolidate grammar structures. We want to consolidate grammar structure. Then you can copy this down. Yes, I'm thinking of going abroad. I would like to have an early dinner. I can hit a ball very hard. So you can copy this down into your notebook. Good. Okay friends, now I want you to turn your textbook to page 110, where we'll go over to writing. Okay, then we have the first. It says rubric analysis. Read the rubric and answer the questions. So read this rubric, then answer the questions. Read the rubric and answer the questions. Have you read the rubric? Which of the following should your essay contain? Is it your opinion? Is it viewpoints to support your opinion? Is it a description? Is it only arguments against the topic? What style should you use? Formal or informal? What characterizes this style? What tells you of the style you should use? Okay? When you hear the word characterizes, what tells you of? What makes up? How do you choose the style to use in your writing? Okay? So which of the following should your essay contain? We say A and B, your opinion and viewpoints to support your opinion. And you should use formal style. This means full forms, advanced vocabulary, and not everyday English. So no everyday English should be used. Okay? Good. So we want to make progress now to exercise 2. Here we want to analyze a model essay. In exercise 2, we want to analyze a model essay. That's the model essay we have now. It says read the model. Which paragraphs contain 1. The writer's first viewpoint, 2. The writer's opinion, the writer's opinion being restated, and then the writer's second viewpoint and example. So read this and answer this. Pause this video and try it out, please. And when you read this essay, I want you to take cognizance of how it is arranged in paragraphs, how the points are put down, so that while writing an essay, you know how to put down your opinion or your points down, so that the reader will get to learn so that your writing will be very interesting and the reader will enjoy reading it. Okay, now let's answer these questions. Let's answer the questions. Yes, so if you want to find the writer's viewpoint, that is what? From paragraph 2. Paragraph 1 tells the writer's opinion, and paragraph 4 tells the writer's opinion being restated, and paragraph 5 tells the writer's second viewpoint and the example and the reasons. And the friends, these are the topic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the topics. So these are the topics, and this is a paragraph. So A, the topic is 2, B is 1, C is 4, D is 5, and E is 3. Good. Now we want to go to exercise 3. Then in exercise 3, we want to write an alternative topic sentence. We want to write an alternative topic sentence in number 3. Okay, find and replace the topic sentence in the main body paragraphs with other appropriate ones. Find and replace the topic sentences in the main body paragraph with other appropriate ones. So let's see. Suggested answer key. Now you can read this. To begin with, children can learn about discipline and responsibility through playing team sports. So when you read that model, then you can now replace it. You find a topic, then when you find the topic, then replace it. These are things we have replaced them with. To begin with, children can learn. So children can learn about this